Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. I look this evening at an industry which has the potential to contribute about 5% to Jamaica's gross domestic product, GDP. The dairy industry has struggled over the past 2 decades, but with the collaboration of a few stakeholders, there are signs that the industry is being revived. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
A once thriving industry built on the back of local farmers almost totally wiped out by a policy decision which favored cheaper alternatives.
We really fell hard, the industry fell hard.
It was devastation right around.
A lot of people came out of the business and these animals were slaughtered. So then we had a loss in productivity and production in the country.
The history of it is up to 1994. 1994, Jamaica had a very thriving dairy industry, producing, in terms of milk, almost 40 million litres of milk per year, 550 dairy farmers, 25,000 cows. Things are going well. The industry was self-sufficient, and then we had trade liberalization. And then the government at the time pursuing a policy of trying to get cheap food into the country. So essentially, then the market was completely open to subsidize milk powder from Europe, and that literally decimated the industry.
The industry now rising from the ashes through the collaboration of a few stakeholders who believe they have what it takes to revive this multi-billion-dollar sector.
We were directly in touch with the dairy farmers and noticing that, so much had happened to them over the years, just trying to figure out what we could do to improve the situation, and it had to be through just an industry-wide push.
The campaign has started now, 2016, going into its 3rd year. With a number of other partners, and the good news from that is that the decline in production that we're seeing has stopped, and in fact the last 2 years I've seen an increase. We ended last year at 13.2 million litres of milk, a far cry from where we need to be. But you celebrate wins, you have to celebrate your wins, and we've stopped the decline, stabilized and growing again.
Right now we have the Drink Real Milk campaign where a number of private sector firms have come together in collaboration with the government, the Jamaica Dairy Development Board, to grow the industry.
Times are changing. A lot of things are changing. The economic climate is changing, the physical climate is changing, and we need to get our producers up to date with all of these changes.
And we go down to currency trading as the US dollar ended the day selling for $137.55. The Canadian dollar sold for $106.65. The pound is going for $177.68, while the euro closed the day at $161.75 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in October went up by 37 cents to settle at $70.04 a barrel. The JSE index lost 15 points today, while the junior market index lost 3 points. Stocks posting gains included 1834 Investments, Cargo Handlers, Express Catering, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, and KLE Group. On the losing side were Access Financial Services, CAC 2000, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Distributors, and Lasco Manufacturing. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.